So you find yourself involved in a car accident with Allstate, or perhaps the car you were riding in was insured by Allstate, or Allstate was your insurance company. And I'm going to explain what it's like to deal with Allstate in Arizona. Hi, my name is Phoenix car accident attorney Garrick McFadden with the law firm GAMESQ PLC. And I wanted to take some time to explain a little bit about Allstate. Allstate is one of the largest insurance companies in the United States of America. My father worked for Allstate for, I think, last 15 or 20 years before he retired. He loved the company. That helped put me through college and law school. I generally have nothing bad to say about Allstate. You might have seen a previous video where I talk about USAA or Fred Loya or the General. Those are horrible insurance companies to deal with. If you have to deal with any one of those three insurance companies, hire a lawyer. Hire a lawyer. Allstate, I feel that they're fair. I feel that they're professional. Yeah, they're not going to want to pay every single claim. They're not going to want to give you top dollar. But if they see that a case is worth the policy limits, I have found that they will pay the policy limits. They do use some denial techniques and some demand, they have the standard denial, lowballing efforts, but they're very easy to communicate. They're very easy to provide information to, and for them to reassess the situation based on the new information that you provided to them. The other thing about Allstate here in Arizona is they have a tremendous in-house counsel staff. Allstate has invested a lot into their in-house lawyers. So that means, for those that don't know, in-house lawyers are salaried employees of Allstate. And what they do is they don't charge Allstate by the hour. Yes, they're supposed to track their time so that Allstate can use the metrics to determine if their outside counsel is charging too much. But what they basically do is, if the Allstate in-house attorney spends 100 hours on a case, they don't get to bill, $400, $300 per hour. It's just all coming out of that person's salary. So they have a very talented team of lawyers, insurance defense lawyers, that are hungry, that are professional, that are respectful, but that are good. They have their offices, I believe last time I went there was in Tempe area, around Tempe Town Lake. Very nice, very secure. You have to get in to go up, and then they have a lot of sterile conference rooms where they're going to take your deposition or do your examination under oath. Allstate will provide you with a pleasant claims experience. They're not horrible. They're not the best. But I would say they are nothing that you can't try to go without an attorney. You could do that claim without an attorney and see how far you get. And if things start not feeling right, give me a call. We'll talk through it. And we'll see if it makes sense to engage my firm. My name is Garrick McFadden. At my law firm, our motto is your injuries, our fight, your win. And if you're dealing with Allstate, it's not as bad as dealing with a couple other insurance companies. So consider yourself blessed.